how to apply credits in QuickBooks Online. And this is when you have open customer invoices and you have a credit memo. On the payable side, when you have an open bill and you have a vendor credit. Quick note, there is no vendor discounting outside of using an account on bills. Just so you know. And vendor credit is not the same thing as a vendor discount. So I usually just use an account for that. Okay, no biggie, but felt like it was worth mentioning. Now, I'm going to go to Sales Customers, and I have Leah here as one of my customers. She has an invoice and a credit memo. The invoice is for $100. Credit memo is for $25. So her current open balance is $75. Now, they haven't been applied, even though in the customer center for Leah, it says that her open balance is $75 because it's assuming you're eventually going to apply it. So where we go reconcile those two or apply the credit memo to the open invoice, you just click plus new, receive payment. And then in the customer field, I'm going to search for Leah. It'll show the open invoice, the payment of $25. It already has the credit selected. So I'm just putting in, $75 for the payment. And then I click save and close. So now her open balance is $0. Equally, on the vendor side, for Hartman, we have an open balance of $100. If we go into that vendor there, $50 is open, but because again, there's a vendor credit. It is just assuming that that's what it is based on the two transactions here. However, we have not applied the vendor credit to the bill, so you still have to do that. So you do that in Pay Bills under the plus new sign. And I have this bill here. The total amount is $50. Open balance, credit applied, save and close. Now, there is a global setting that will help this. Go to the gear icon, Accountant Settings, and it's an advanced setting. And scroll down to the automation section. If you toggle this on, automatically apply credits, and then automatically apply bill payments, this one automatically applies credits to the next invoice you create for the same customer. Most companies turn this setting on. Turn it off if you're a property manager that requires security deposits, something like that. Or if you need more control over what credit memos apply to what invoices, make sure it's off, right? And also this one, automatically apply bill payments. When you add bill payments in the register, this setting automatically applies the payments to the oldest existing bill. Most companies turn on this setting. However, if you want more control over what vendor credits are applied to what bill, turn it off. Okay? And that is applying credits on both the customer vendor side, accounts receivable, accounts payable, in QuickBooks Online.